And now, the human gaze, all eyes up to the sky from the direction of Rashtrapati Bhavan. The Indian Air Force fly past will begin.
Time now for the grand finale, a thrilling flying display. This flying display is an outcome of the focused training and professionalism of the air and the ground crew of the Indian Air Force. The first formation onto your television screens, Arjun Formation, named after Marshal of the Air Force Arjun Singh, Distinguished Flying Cross. Formation comprising one C-130J Super Hercules aircraft and two C-295 aircraft, the latest tactical transport aircraft of the Indian Air Force. Leading this formation is a C-130J aircraft from the Special Operations Squadron of the Indian Air Force, led today by Group Captain Rahul Rawat. The motto of the squadron, Praharati Pratihanti, translating to strike to kill. Flanking it are two C-29 aircraft from 12th Squadron in victory formation, flown by Group Captain Shivam P.K. Vasan and Wing Commander S. Sachin.
जी हाँ, जमीनी करतबों के बाद अब बारी है हवाई करतबों की। भारतीय वायुसेना के वायु योद्धा वायु विचरण करते हुए जब नजर आएंगे कर्तव्य पथ के ऊपर, तो आप अपनी सांसें थाम लेंगे, यकीन मानिए। सबसे पहले कुछ ही देर के बाद अर्जन फॉर्मेशन, जिसमें दो C-295 विमान और साथ में एक C-130 एयरक्राफ्ट सुपर हरक्यूलिस के नाम से जिसे जाना जाता है, अर्जन फॉर्मेशन तैयार करते हुए कर्तव्य पथ के ऊपर से गुजरेगा मार्शल ऑफ एयर फोर्स अर्जन सिंह के नाम पर, जिसका नामकरण हुआ है। नेतृत्व कर रहे हैं ग्रुप कैप्टन राहुल रावत। 350 किलोमीटर प्रति घंटे की रफ्तार से इन विमानों ने चंडीगढ़ से उड़ान भरी है और कर्तव्य पथ की ओर अग्रसर हैं।
The formation flying at a speed of 350 kilometers per hour, and today it has gone airborne from Air Force Station Chandigarh. C-130J is a special operation heavy lift transport aircraft of the Indian Air Force. And now you can see the first formation, Arjun Formation, led by Group Captain Rahul Rawat. Flanking it are two C-295 aircraft, flown by Group Captain Shivam P.K. Vasan and Wing Commander S. Sachin. Flying majestically up over the skies of the Kartavya Path. And now time for the Varuna Formation, comprising one PHI aircraft of the Indian Navy and two Sukhoi 30 MKI aircraft of the Indian Air Force. Leading the formation will be Group Captain Akshay Kumar Raja with Commander Ashish Vashisht flying the PHI, and the Sukhoi 30 MKI of the Indian Air Force flown by Group Captain Jeetu Yadav with Squadron Leader Tanush Malik and Wing Commander Deepak Prasad with Squadron Leader Ram Sharma. The PHI, with its unmatched long-range maritime reconnaissance and anti-submarine prowess, and the Sukhois flanking it. The formation led by Captain Akshay Kumar Raja. And now you can see Bajrang Formation, comprising 6 Rafale fighter aircraft of the Indian Air Force. Undoubtedly, one can say even the wind along the Kartavya Path have stopped to stare at these Rafales. The formation being led by Group Captain Arun Kumar. Other members of the formation, Wing Commander Jaspal Singh, Squadron Leader V.B. Chengude, Squadron Leader A.K. Beniwal, Squadron Leader S. Masand and Squadron Leader Amol Garg, all from 101 Squadron known as the Falcons of the Cham. The squadron's motto, Anabhishya Bhedi, seek and destroy. Rafale, omnipotent 4++ generation fighter aircraft of the Indian Air Force.
जी आपसे कुछ ही क्षणों के बाद कर्तव्य पथ के ऊपर से नजर आएंगे वज्रांग फॉर्मेशन में 6 रफेल विमान। नेतृत्व कर रहे हैं ग्रुप कैप्टन अरुण कुमार। वायु योद्धा गर्व और शौर्य की नई मिसाल कायम करते हुए कर्तव्य पथ के ऊपर से वायु विचरण।
Bajrang, led by Group Captain Arun Kumar. Marvel the choreography of power and precision, each aircraft symbolic of the guardianship that keeps our skies sovereign and secure. And time now for a single Rafale flying at a speed of 900 kilometers per hour, all set to touch the sky with glory as it executes the vertical maneuver over Kartavya Paths. The aircraft is being flown by Group Captain Amit Gehani along with Flight Lieutenant Utkarsh Sharma of 17th Squadron, known as the Golden Arrows. Their motto, Udayam Ajastram, meaning ever rising skywards.
विजय फॉर्मेशन कर्तव्य पथ के ऊपर से एक रफेल 900 किलोमीटर प्रति घंटे की रफ्तार से वायु विचरण करता हुआ उड़ान भर रहे हैं ग्रुप कैप्टन अमित गेहानी। जोधपुर से उड़ान भरी है।
The aircraft doing series of rolls, going up, and finally would disappear into the blue yonder, signifying the motto of the Indian Air Force, Nabha Sprisham Deeptam. Vijay stands as a salute to the spirit of India, resolute and rising.
उपस्थित जनसमूह आह्लादित है, उल्लसित है, रोमांचित है वायु योद्धाओं के इस वायु विचरण को देखकर, जिन्होंने भारतीय वायुसेना की गौरवशाली परंपरा की नई मिसाल कायम की है। नभः स्पृशम दीप्तम को चरितार्थ करते हुए कर्तव्य पथ देश प्रेम के रंगों से ओतप्रोत होता हुआ